Alright, this is 7.1 notes angles of polygons. So find the value of x in the diagram. So we have here the triangle, and this one measured 60, 60, and 60. So if the angle is 60, this one will be x is equal to 120 degrees. And then for number 2, we have here 70. So if this is 70, this is also 70 degrees because this side is congruent and this side is also congruent. So x is equal to 70. And also on this one, 64 plus 55 would give us 64 plus 55, 119 minus 180 would give me 61 degrees. And finding the x would give me x is equal to 119 degrees. Because this is the measure of this angle is 180. So 180 minus 61 would give me 61 degrees. Alright, next example 1. Polygon interior angle theorem. The coin show is in the shape of an 11 gun. Find the sum of the measure of the interior angle. So in this one, we're going to use the formula of n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So that's the formula. So we have here 11 minus 2 multiplied by 180 is equal to 11 minus 2 would give me 9 multiplied by 180 would give me 1620 degrees. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the figure. So in this given figure, we have 8 sides. So using the formula, 8 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So 6 times 180 would give me 1080 degrees. Alright, next example 2. Classify the polygon. So the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon is 900 degrees. So classify the polygon by the number of sides. So using the formula of n minus 2 multiplied by 180. And the sum of the measures of interior angles is 900 degrees. So on this one, dividing both sides by 180 would give me n minus 2 is equal to 5, and adding both sides by 2 would give me n is equal to 7. And the 7 here, the number of sides with the 7 is called heptagon. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon is 1440 degrees. So classify the polygon by the number of sides. So this one, still using the formula. So n minus 2, 180 is equal to 1440 degrees. And n minus 2 is equal to, dividing both sides by 180 would give me just 8. And plus 2, both sides would give me n is equal to 10. And the 10 with 10 number of sides is called decagon. Okay, example 3. Find the missing values. Find the value of x in the diagram. So on this one, we have 4 sides. So if we use the formula, it would give me 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180 is equal to 360 degrees. And getting the sum of all the angles would give me x plus 108 plus 121 plus 59 is equal to 360 degrees. This would give me x is equal to 72 degrees. Next, the measure of the interior angles of quadrilateral are x degrees, 3x degrees, 5x degrees, and 7x degrees. Find the measures of all the interior angles. So in this one, the measure of all the interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. So adding all of the given, x plus 3x plus 5x plus 7x would give me 360 degrees is equal to 16x. And dividing both sides by 16 would give me x is equal to 22.5 degrees. And getting the given, this is, and then this one will be 67.5. This one will be 112.5 degrees. And this one will be 157.5 degrees. Alright, example 4. In an equilateral polygon, all sides are congruent. So all sides are congruent here. So in an equiangular polygon, all angles in the interior of the polygon are congruent. And in a regular polygon is a convex polygon that is both equilateral and equiangular. So let's answer this example. So a home plate for a baseball field is shown. Explain your reasoning. So in this one, the reasoning, this one is not equiangular or equilateral. So it is not regular. Because you may see in the given figure, we have three same sides, this one, and this one, but these two is different. So that is why this is not an equiangular or equilateral. So it is not regular. For letter B, find the measures of angle C and angle E. So on this one, we have 5 sides. So using the formula, so 5 minus 2 times 180 is equal to 540 degrees total. So if we add all of the angles, so let's say 540 is equal to, we have, let's say this 2 is x. So we have 2x, and we have 3 right angle or right angle, so we can say that plus 3 multiplied by 90. So that would give me 540 is equal to 2x. 3 times 90 would give me 270. So minus 270 on both sides would give me 270 is equal to 2x, and dividing both sides by 2 would give me an x is equal to 135 degrees. So this will be our angle C and angle E. Okay, so last example here. So polygon exterior angle theorem. So on this one, the polygon exterior angle theorem, take note of this, the measurement of the exterior angle is always 360 degrees. And also can make a circle. And the measurement of circle, of the angle of the circle, is 360 degrees. So find the value of x in the diagram. So let's add all of it, all of the given. So 2x plus x plus 89 plus 67 is equal to 360. And then it would give me 3x plus 89 plus 67 would give me 156 is equal to 360, and minus 156 would give me 3x is equal to 360 minus 156 would give me 204, and dividing both sides by 3 would give me value of x to 68 degrees. Alright. A convex hexagon has interior angles with measures 34 degrees, 49 degrees, 58 degrees, 67, and 75 degrees. So what is the measure of an exterior angle at the 6th vertex? So on this one, we have 34 plus 49 plus 58 plus 67 plus 75 plus x. So we let x for the 6th vertex is equal to 360 degrees. And on this one, I get an x of 77 degrees. Alright, for number 6, example 6, finding angles of measures. The trampoline shown is shaped like a regular dodecagon. So the decagon, it has 12 sides. So find the measure of each interior angle. So first we need to use the formula of interior angle, the sum of interior angle. So 12 minus 2 multiplied by 180 is equal to 10 times 180 would give me 1800 degrees. So this is the total of interior angles, and since we have 12 sides and based on the figure they are all equal, so we can say that 1800 divided by 12 would give us interior angle of 150 degrees each. This is for letter A. Alright, for letter B, find the measure of each exterior angle. Since the measure of exterior angle is always 360, so we can say, or we can divide it by 12. Let me do it in this way, 12x. So we can divide it by 12 to find the measurement of exterior angle. So 360 divided by 12 would give me x is equal to 30 degrees. So that will be all for our 7.1 notes. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for listening.